Black pepper blini pancakes topped with a dollop of horseradish cream, smoked salmon and a sprig of dill. It's a delicious starter your friends and family will love. Just a few easy steps and 15 minutes in the kitchen and you'll transform this basket of simple ingredients into this sophisticated starter. Start by making the horseradish cream. You'll need 8 tablespoons of creme fraiche, 2 tablespoons of ready-made creamed horseradish which has a little kick, then a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, fresh chives, just 2 tablespoons chopped finely, and some coarse ground black pepper. Then just mix everything together and that's the horseradish cream. Now the Blinis pancakes. So first the dry mix, 300 grams of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder to make them rise, a pinch of salt and a little pepper. Then sift everything together. For the wet mix you want 300 millilitres of whole milk, then 50 grams of melted butter, any butter is fine, 2 beaten eggs, and just whisk it together. Then add it to the flour mixture and beat it until you get a thick batter. Make sure you get rid of any lumps. Now it's time to get cooking. Add a few drops of olive oil to a heated non-stick frying pan. And to make double sure nothing sticks, spread the oil around with a little kitchen paper. Now, making blinis is really simple. Just scoop up a dessert spoonful of batter and drop it into the pan. It's the perfect amount. Keep going until your pan is full. You'll need to make the blinis in a few batches. When holes appear in the surface, it's time to turn the blinis over. Just flip them onto the other side for another couple of minutes. If you want to make them ahead, they'll keep in the fridge for 2 days or the freezer for 3 months. So they're a great to make ahead starter and you can just warm them up in the oven or microwave when you need them. When they're good and golden, they're done, so just put them on a tea towel over a wire rack. Then wrap them in the towel to keep warm while you do the rest. Then spoon on a little horseradish cream, a slither of smoked salmon, and a sprig of dill, which is delicious paired with fish and looks fabulous too. And that's it, black pepper blini pancakes with horseradish cream. A delicious simple starter with real wow factor.